Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am going to try out the cameras on the Motorola Razr Plus. And this is in 4K at 60 frames per second. Just walking around my empty mall. Slow pan of the area. I'm going to do 4K at 60, 4K at 30. On this camera, you can do 4K at 30 on the ultra-wide, but not 4K at 60. So I might even break that down too. But what y'all think about it? It has no telephoto lens, so you cannot, really zoom in. I'm at 6 times zoom there. It just has the ultra-wide. But what y'all think about it? How does everything look? How does it sound? Let's go to tree bark. Do you have a comparison or a video if you don't have tree bark in your video? I'm gonna say no. Look, there's baby girl. But I'm enjoying the phone so far. I've been using it for the last, almost 24 hours now and really enjoying it. I missed out on the flip phone market here. But hopefully the stabilization is good. Hopefully it's not too bad. I'm gonna come back at 4K at 30. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30 using the rear camera. And this is just the main lens. I'm not on the ultra wide. I'm gonna do the ultra wide next. But slow pan of the area. Hopefully the stabilization is good. Hopefully the mics are good too. I'm just walking around. Look at the mall. Like this whole side is gone. I think this used to be like Macy's or something. But it's pretty much empty. They have a few like food stores left, but and a little small businesses, but nothing really major at this mall. But they got some cars down there. Let's zoom in. You can see there, zooming in, zoom back out. But so far everything looks good by what I'm seeing on the phone. But yeah, I'm just walking around, so hopefully the stabilization is good. Said it has it on there. But I guess only time would tell how good it is. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30, but ultra wide. Just to try that camera out. But this is the main shooter. I'll be right back, y'all. Everyone, so this is 4K on the ultra wide lens, the 13 megapixel. What y'all think about it? Now, the one thing I don't like about it is that you cannot switch between the lenses at 4K at 30. You have to stop it and then bring it back up. That's kind of a bummer, but it's not a deal breaker for me. But if you want to go from ultra wide to the main, you have to stop it and then start it again. But what y'all think about it? Look at the photos, look at the video. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these cameras. I'm gonna do some nighttime video too, so that way we can see what it does at nighttime. Not too sure how that will come out, but time will tell. Almost got my finger in there. But I'm just walking around. Stay tuned, I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera. We can check that out too. But this is just the ultra wide. Shout out to Leo, he loves his ultra wide videos. But I'll be right back with the front facing video. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the main camera, but I'm using the external display to, take the video of it. So this is in 4K at 30. Now I can't do 4K at 60 using the external mic, because once you do that, or the external display, because once you do 4K at 60, it doesn't let you have that option. So if you want to use the main camera, you have to do 4K at 30, and this is it right here. It actually looks really good. What y'all think? How do I look? How do I sound? The background there. Yes, I'm holding the camera too, just holding the phone, walking around the empty mall. But I'm gonna do 4K at 60 using the selfie camera next. So that way we can test out that camera. Look, people are coming. They're probably like, what is this guy doing? Holding a phone, talking to himself. You think we would be comfortable by doing that by now? I mean, I've been doing YouTube for like 5 or 6 years, so. But again, how did I look? How did I sound? But stay tuned, I'm gonna do 4K at 60 using a selfie camera. Until then, peace. Okay, so this is 4K at 60 FPS on the selfie camera on the Motorola Razr Plus. What y'all think about it? Will you actually use the selfie camera, or will you just use your main camera and use the external display as a viewfinder? I think a lot of people will do it the other way. I think they will use their main camera and just shoot 4K at 30 instead of using this selfie camera. I mean, it doesn't look bad though. It really doesn't, but I think it's just a better camera on the other side. But what y'all think about it? What y'all thought about the 4K 60 on the main camera? And what y'all think about this one? And there are bugs out here, man. The life of a YouTuber. Look, the cars are coming by. Probably wondering why this guy is just vlogging, talking to himself, walking around the mall. I think I just said that earlier too. That's the same car. Maybe an undercover cop looking for trouble. But I'm gonna come back and do some 4K footage at nighttime, so that way we can test out the cameras at night. But I'm enjoying the phone. If you have it, if you're thinking about picking it up, again, let me know in the comments of what videos y'all want to see or any other ideas on the videos. But stay tuned for the nighttime video and photos. Until then, peace. I'm out. Okay everyone, so this is Motorola's portrait video. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. I'm using the external display as a viewfinder. So how does it look? You know, does it hang with the Samsung portrait videos? Is it horrible? That's what we are doing these camera tests for. I'm trying to get y'all the coverage on this device, so that way you can do your homework and decide if you want to pick up this phone. But I do love how you can use the external display as your portrait, as your viewfinder. So if that's something you want to do, like portrait video, you have an easy way of doing it, and you're using your main shooter too to do that. So I don't know what y'all think about it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have nighttime video coming up, some photos probably too. Until then, peace. Everyone, so this is 4K at 60 frames per second on the Razr Plus at nighttime. Yes, I'm at my famous Big Lots across the street from Walmart. You want to zoom in? There you go. You can see Walmart. We'll go back out. It's still busy around here. I had the massage parlor. I show Big Lots. Big Lots is there. I have a cop over there, look, hiding out, probably trying to catch people, or either looking at me and see what I'm doing too. But who's scared? Now it does have night vision on this phone when you're shooting like 1080p, but here it's just a main shooter and 4K at 60 frames. How does everything look? How does I sound? Let's check out the Planet Fitness over there. I said I'm gonna get a membership, but I haven't gotten one yet. Let's go back out. But what y'all think about it? What y'all thought about the 4K at 60 during the day and the photos? Y'all let me know. And I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera, and then maybe even 4K at 30, just to see if there's any difference. on this camera. There's the lights. But I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Razr Plus. Again, I'm here at nighttime. I'm here at my famous parking lot. I haven't came out here in a while though. There's baby girl. I don't know, it actually looks pretty good by what I'm seeing on the phone itself, but not until you get to a computer will you really see how good it is. Hopefully the stabilization's working, because I'm just holding the phone. Look, there's a car coming. I thought that was another cop gonna pull me over. But what y'all think? I'm getting more comfortable with people walking by and just filming. Who cares? I never see these people again probably, and if I do, oh well. But I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera. Let's see what the selfie camera can do. I wasn't too impressed with the daytime selfie, but let's check it out. I'll be right back. So this is 4K at 60 on the selfie camera at nighttime with the Motorola Razr. I want to say Motorola Edge. See, I'm not too impressed with the selfie camera, at least for the background. It just looks not the best. But they also don't have to use this camera. You can use the main camera and just use the external display for vlogging. This is in 4K at 60, by the way. I'm gonna show y'all the better quality. I'm gonna switch it over to the display and the main camera, and y'all can check out the quality difference there. I'm actually gonna do that right now. I don't want to make this part too long because the video is already really long. But let me switch it. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30, but I'm using the main camera and I'm using the external display or the outside display to see myself. So this is the camera you really would use to vlog with. You know, the selfie camera is not worth it. It's not even close to the main camera. At least, I mean, look at it. Look at the difference between both of them. So if you want to use the selfie camera, you can. You're just not going to get the quality. You can just hold the phone backwards and use that display, get the 4K 30 footage, and be happy with it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment what y'all think about the cameras. Again, let me know what else, what other videos you want to see on this phone. I'm gonna definitely try to make them. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.